I want to tell you a secret, but you can't laugh.
All right, across my heart.
You're already laughing.
I'm sorry. Go on.
Someday, when I'm older, I think I want to be a wife. Is that dumb?
No. Why would that be dumb?
Well, you were a wife once. Then, one day you just stopped being one. I just figured you didn't like it anymore. Maybe I won't like it either.
Oh, no. That's not what happened. I actually loved it. I really did.
That doesn't make any sense. Why did you stop being one if you loved it so much?
Well, it turns out he didn't love me.